Hello, I'm San Diego personal injury attorney Mark Blaine, and welcome to my Raw Foods, Nutrition, and Healing the Body webpage. You know, part of my motivation for doing this webpage on my website was I noticed after years of doing personal injury cases here in San Diego, I noticed that a lot of my clients were having underlying medical conditions that were affecting or hindering the body's ability to heal itself from an injury or after a trauma. For example, I was seeing diagnoses like bursitis, spinal stenosis, fibromyalgia, autoimmune disorders, deficiency disorders, things that were hindering the blood flow to get the vital nutrients to those important joints to help heal the body, especially after a trauma or accident. And so I was noticing that my clients really weren't getting a whole lot of direction from the medical doctors on this. So I decided to create this webpage to inspire and perhaps motivate folks to look at alternative viewpoints in terms of trying to maybe help or take responsibility for themselves nutritionally and diet-wise, so that can maybe help with the recovery process. So on this webpage, and by the way, if you're visiting me from YouTube, I'll have a description in the or a link in the description to the webpage so you can get all the information that I'm talking about in this brief intro video. But feel free to look around, look at my blogs, my articles. I have lots of videos on this webpage that kind of point you into a direction that maybe you hadn't thought about, or maybe you're just looking for information, or perhaps you have a family member that needs information on this and they have these underlying conditions and things aren't happening with the medical care, or things are being hindered, or the recovery process is being stagnated. So if that's you, please help yourself to the information. I put it online for this to be the case, so you can make an informed decision on what you need to do for your family member or your particular case. I do want to point out I'm not a licensed medical physician. I'm a licensed attorney practicing law, personal injury law here in San Diego, so I can't give I can't give medical advice. I can't do that in this video. I can't do it in any blogs, articles, or books, or anything like that. But what I can do is advocate for health. I can advocate legally for health and nutrition, which is what I'm doing, and that's the main motivator for me. So hopefully this video will inspire you in some areas, motivate you to see that what we put in our mouths is highly important, and how it affects the body as a whole, as a mechanism as a whole, not compartmentalized to body segments, but the entire physical being itself. So if you need to pick up the phone and even talk about your case in relation to nutrition, or relation to the diet, or relation to how your recovery process is going, you can always reach me. I do it for folks all the time in San Diego. My phone number, direct, 619 area code 813-7955. If you need to reach me by email, it's mark@blainelaw.com. That's mark@BLANELAW.com. So I look forward to helping out with this, and if there's anything else I can do for you, just let me know. Have yourself a wonderful day, and this is dedicated to your radiant health. Thank you.